If you've lost access to your Camden National Corp account and don't have your phone number available, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Camden National Corp website. Go to the official Camden National Corp website. Look for the login section where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your account. Make sure it is the correct email that you used during the account registration process. Step 4. Check your email for recovery instructions. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Camden National Corp. This email will contain instructions on how to reset your password or recover your account. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Carefully follow the instructions provided in the email. This may involve answering security questions or providing additional information to verify your identity. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Camden National Corp account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.